Hello YouTube, welcome to another entry in the Broll Smackdown profiles. This one is for bracket number 3, that's right, the big 3. Oh man, some amazing content creators went all out for these entries, and I'm going to profile each and every channel. So let's get right to it, Piney, roll them bumps.
Welcome to another Wildlife Wednesday. We are at Linville Gorge.
Em and the gang has an awesome channel. They'll take you on all sorts of family adventures and even some live broadcasts, which are really entertaining. She is probably the best filmer of wildlife that I've seen on YouTube yet. She somehow manages to capture so much cool wildlife on film, and I absolutely love it. You should definitely take the time and check out Em and the gang's channel. It's friggin' awesome.
Hi everybody, welcome back to Out of Body. My name is Sabrina and I will be answering the question, what is an out of body experience?
Out of body. Well, what can I say? If you are interested in hearing some really creepy stories and discussion about out of body experiences done in videos that are just edited impeccably, just absolutely amazing, really fantastic voiceover, you are really gonna love it. I highly recommend you check it out. So do me a big favor, guys, and just click the link in the description and go check out Out of Body. You won't regret it.
Hey, SkinnyGPanda here.
SkinnyGPanda. She does gear reviews. Her trail reviews are geared towards the handicap accessible. The ratings she does, she takes into account the possibility that you may have an injury or something that keeps you from being 100% mobile. So you'll know how she is rating it based on that sort of criteria as well. Not only that, but SkinnyGPanda is just a friggin' awesome person. So you want to get to know her, go ahead and click that link in the description. You won't regret it. Bracket 3, absolutely amazing. Unbelievable content creators in this bracket. Please take a moment, go visit their page. The links are in the description. I would love for every one of you to have a great day, please, and find your adventure. I will see you in an hour for the live show.